Hi guys, very excited here today. Just got my Holosun 507C red dot optic for your pistol. This is the dual power. Do a little unboxing video over here. This is the package that it comes with, like this. And then this is the box. These are the detail, give you all the harmful stuff. 507 Holosun. And let's say Holosun technology here. So let's yank this guy out, see what I got here. Okay, let's see what comes in the box. This is a nice plastic box. It looks a little kind of cheap from the top though, but let's open this up. Okay. And let's see what you got. You got a Holosun user manual over here. Length cleaning cloth and a mounting screw. Look, these mounting screw already have the blue Loctite on it, so you don't have to use any blue Loctite or whatnot. And you get the key to adjust the sight. I believe a T10 torque bit wrench that you're gonna get. And this is the baby, the Holosun 507. Look at that, dual power with the solar panel. Look at that. So I'm not sure if you see, this is kind of reddish, and then this is kind of bluish, but under the light you're probably not going to see it. And the original already come with a Picatinny rail, so you have to mount those two screws to get off the Picatinny rail to mount it on the arm mount into your pistol, or you could mount it on one of those ducktail arm mount. And let's power this thing up and let's see if we see any dot here. Okay, I'm not sure if you can pick up the dot on the camera. I doubt you can see that. Let's switch that then. Let me see. I can't even see it either. Let's see. I gotta read some manual to see how this will work. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see the dots. It is very hard to show it here. But I like this, that they come with 3 settings on this dot though. This actually is a 2 MOA dot and a 32 MOA ring. And they have another option where the 32 MOA ring with a 2 MOA dot. This is milled by a CNC machine mill. This is made out of 7075 aluminum. The battery life about up to 10,000 hours, and you're getting a battery type of CR2032, which is the standard stuff. And this has a shake away feature, so you could leave it on, and then all of a sudden just pick up the red dot, and you're able to the LED dot will come on right away. As you can see, this is the key, and then this is the adjustable features. Okay, so I'm planning to mount this onto my Glock, and I'm gonna use a ducktail mount that I'm gonna remove the rear sight and mount this right on top of over here, and let you guys know how it goes, man. And I heard a lot of great thing about this Holosun, so this is the dock I'm probably gonna use later on. It's the 2 MOA and the 32 MOA circle. I really like this style here. So I'm gonna try to take this out to the range and give it a try and see how it goes. And thanks for watching.